Hello friends, today on this video right now I'm going to show you how to set pattern lock on Samsung mobile phone. So friends, before we continue this video, do not forget to like the video and subscribe the channel. Okay, so let's start the video. First of all, what you need to do is that you have to move on setting, then from here you can scroll down to lock screen option. So here is the lock screen, you just click on lock screen. After you have been click on lock screen, here you are going to find the screen lock type. So click on screen lock type. Then after that, here you are going to find the pattern. So click on pattern, and here after that draw the pattern. Okay, how you want to draw? Just retry again. Just draw the pattern. After that, click on continue. Again you have to draw the same pattern. Okay, then click on confirm, and here the pattern lock will be applied successfully on your mobile phone. Okay, it means it has been set. Okay, you can set the pattern lock like this on your mobile phone. So friends, if you love the video, do not forget to like the video, share the video and subscribe the channel, and thanks for watching.